In this video, I'm going to show you the best monitor setup for comfort, better posture, and less strain on your eyes and neck. Whether you're working, gaming, or spending long hours at your desk, getting your monitor placement right can make a huge difference. The good news is, you do not need any special tools or expensive equipment to improve your setup today. We're just going to make a few simple adjustments that can instantly help your workstation feel better. If you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy setup guides. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to sit straight in your chair. Before you even move the monitor, make sure your body is in a good position. Sit all the way back, keep your back supported, and try to relax your shoulders. A good monitor setup starts with good posture, because if you begin slouching first, you'll probably end up compensating in the wrong way. Think of your chair, desk, and monitor as one system. When your posture is aligned, everything else becomes easier to position. Next, adjust your monitor so the top of the screen is at eye level. This is one of the most important parts of a proper setup. If your screen is too low, you'll naturally look down too much, which can cause neck strain over time. If it's too high, you may tilt your head upward, which can also become uncomfortable. The goal is to keep your eyes looking slightly downward or straight ahead with a relaxed neck. A simple way to check this is to sit in your normal working position and line up the top edge of the monitor with your eyes. If needed, raise the monitor with a stand, books, or a monitor arm until it feels right. After that, keep the screen about 50 to 70 centimeters away, which is roughly an arm's length. This distance helps reduce eye fatigue and gives you a comfortable viewing range. If your monitor is too close, it can feel overwhelming and may force your eyes to work harder. If it's too far, you may find yourself leaning forward or squinting. A good test is to sit back in your chair and extend your arm toward the screen. If your fingertips are close to the monitor, you're usually in a good range. Of course, this can vary a little depending on screen size, but arm's length is a great starting point for most people. Now tilt the screen slightly upward, usually around 10 to 20 degrees. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how natural the viewing angle feels. You want the monitor angled so you can see it comfortably without bending your neck. The screen should not be pointed too far up or too far down. A slight upward tilt often works best because it helps match your line of sight when you are sitting upright. Once you tilt it, check how it feels for a minute or two. If your head feels more relaxed and your eyes can focus without strain, you've probably found a good angle. At this point, your setup should feel much better already. Your back is straight, your monitor is at eye level, the distance is comfortable, and the tilt supports a natural viewing position. These small changes may seem simple, but they can add up to a much healthier desk setup over time. If you spend several hours a day in front of your screen, this is exactly the kind of adjustment that helps prevent discomfort before it starts. If you want to take your setup even further, you can also make sure the monitor brightness is comfortable for your room, reduce glare from windows or lights, and keep your keyboard and mouse close enough so you do not have to reach forward. But even if you only follow the 4 steps in this video, you'll already have a much better monitor setup than most people. So to quickly recap, sit straight, set the top of the screen to eye level, keep the monitor about an arm's length away, and tilt it slightly upward. That is the simple formula for a better monitor setup. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.